Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video guys is we're going to unbox and do the review of the T10 Ultra 2. Let's go! Hey guys, this is Josh here. How are you guys? So we have here a new smartwatch. This is the T10 Ultra 2 and this is from Laxas Fit guys. So without further ado, let's open this one. But before that, I just want to show you the packaging. So this is the front and the sides. We have smartwatch, and at the back, so we have here manufacturing information. Okay, so let's open this one, guys. Okay, in the box, so we have here the manual. So if you have any questions, you can check the manual. And then we have here our watch itself and the strap. Okay, here it is. It's in orange, and the wireless charging cable. So let's set this aside and let's look at the watch. So here it is, guys. So let's take this one out, and here is the watch. So on the left we have here the speaker grill, and this another button here, and on the right we have here the crown and another button, and I believe this is the microphone. And at the back, so we have here the sensors. Okay, so let's turn it on, guys. So this is now the power on and off button here. So take a look at that one, and this is the crown. So let's check the watch faces. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we've got 10 watch faces. And then let's try to press this one here, the crown. Okay, and it will go or lead us to the menus. And then here we have, when you press here on the left, it will direct us to the sports mode. Okay, so let's check the feature, guys. So let's try to just change the style. So you can change that one by pressing this the crown. So we have here dial. Okay, when you want to contact your friend. Okay, we also have here contacts, call log, and then message. Okay, what else? We have pedometer, sleep, sedentary and Bluetooth control, camera, and then Bluetooth music, find phones, alarm, and setting. So in the setting, guys, you can check the time setting here manually, so it's easy. And then we also have here brightness and screen time. Okay, you can check this one. Set the screen time that you like. We have password. Okay, shutdown, reboot, about the watch. Alright, and by the way, guys, this is how the watch will look like when you wear it. It's very stylish, yet it has the feature that an expensive smartwatch has. Then we also have here the QR code. So we have here Laxas Fit. Okay, so I think that this watch is good, especially if you're a new smartwatch user. So I like the design and also its style. The watch faces, it's great. Okay, so if you're interested, guys, you can tap on the link in the description box and you can check them out. Okay, so if you have any questions about this watch, guys, comment down below, and if you like this video, kindly consider subscribing to our channel. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.